A very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, we are going to learn about words. That is many words. That is, we are going to learn about, we have already started with that exercise in the previous sessions. That is exercise C. Exercise C, we have to write 10 words under each head. So, names of 10 names of vehicles, 10 names of birds, furnitures, and flowers. Okay. So likewise, we are going to improve our vocabulary. So we are going to learn about 10 words. So we are familiar with vehicles, names of birds, furnitures, and flowers. So in this exercise helps us to improve our vocabulary, children. So you may be familiar with few words, few names of vehicles, few names of birds, and few names of furnitures, and also few names of flowers. Now all of you are going to contribute so that this exercise will be complete. This exercise, you can do it as such. I can give you as a homework, but still, let's do it as a classwork. See that all can contribute so that we can complete this exercise in today's session itself. Okay, so let's move on to children. So I hope all of you are ready with your English grammar workbook. It's an interesting topic, okay? We are going to learn more words. As we learn more words, we'll improve our vocabulary too. Okay? So, here we go. Now, we have to write 10 names under each head. Okay? We have to name 10 names of vehicles, birds, furniture, and flower. Okay. So, bus, hen, chair, rose is already there. Now we have to name 10 more names under each head. Okay, so I hope we have already completed, that is names of vehicles, we have already completed it. So we have completed names of vehicles, we have already completed. So now we are moving on to names of birds. Let me ask you a question, children. Have we completed with names of vehicles, children? I hope the boys have completed.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, we have completed it? Yes, okay. So, children, this you can write any 10 names, okay, children? There's no hard and fast rule as such. You have to write only these names. It is left to you. You can write any names, but as a classwork, we are doing it. Okay, so we can write as many words as you want. Okay, so we have already started with this session. We have written here car, van has been written here. Okay, so you can write as you want, as you like.
Motorbike, not van.
Then what we wrote?
Motorbike. Train.
Motorbike.
Motorbike.
Motorbike. You can write as you like. Okay, children. Motorbike, train. Okay. Train. Then what did we write? Tram. Did we write tram? Yes, no, we didn't write tram. Okay, we can write anything. Okay. Ship, we can write. What is it? Jeep. Yes. Jeep.
Bicycle.
We have already written. Bus is already there. Bus is already there. Okay. Yes. Anything else, children? Anything. So motorbike, train, ship, jeep. Then what did we write? Truck. Truck. Then what did we write here? Scooter we wrote. Then what did we write? Can I write anything? Motorbike. Yes. So I think so one more name has to be written. Did we write tractor? Tractor or train or taxi or what? Huh? No, you have finished with this? Yes, we have finished. You have 10 names, but in my column that there are only 9 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why ma'am is writing. You have 10 columns. Okay. So you have 10 columns there. Ma'am has to draw one more column here. One column is missing here. Okay, so one more name has to be written. Please do. Aircraft we can write. Okay. This is you can write as you like, children. It is not hard and fast rule that you have to write only these names. Okay. Now let's move on to names of birds. So already boys are finished. Now let's move on to the girls. Okay, girls, are you ready? Girls, are you ready? Can we do this exercise? Yes? Yes. So Daksha, come on. Name a bird. Hen is already there. All the
Crow.
girls, please do get ready. Think of a name of a bird. Okay, the girls will be called this time. Yes.
Parrot.
Parrot. Very good. Parrot. Parrot. It is parrot. Okay, parrot. All of you, please do write it. Parrot. Afia. You can raise your hands too, my dear children.
Can't unmute.
Yes.
Okay. Peacock.
Peacock. Very good. Peacock. 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 Yes, please do write it. Page number is 5 and 6. 5 and 6, yes. Yes, 6. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Yes, we have finished with parrot, peacock, hen is over. Now let's move on to the next. You can raise your hands. It's only for girls. Afrin, come on, Afrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Yes, very good. Pigeon. 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 Please do write it. Very good. Pigeon. Okay, now let's move on to. Yes, Anmia. Come on, Anmia. Come on, name a bird.
Puppy.
Yes.
Dog.
No, bird. Think of a bird. Louder, please.
Eagle.
What is it?
Eagle.
Down? Duck? It's not audible. Come on.
Eagle.
Eagle. Okay, eagle. 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 Okay. Eagle. Write, all of you, please do write it. Yes, eagle. Yes, Devananda. Come on, Devananda.
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds. Okay, very good. Lovebirds. Love. 1 minute. Yes. Lovebirds. Lovebirds. Yes. Come on. Yes. Write it. Okay, Dia. Come on, Dia. Dia. Yes. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Crow.
Crow. Crow is already there, I think so. No, peacock. Crow is not there. Okay. So we'll write crow. Crow. Very good. Crow. 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 Okay. Very good, Dia. Veda. Come on, Veda. Children, you can raise your hands. It's for this round is for girls. So girls, if you're ready, please do raise your hands. Next round is for boys, furniture. Okay? So please do think of a furniture, boys. Yes, Veda, come on.
Kingfisher.
What is that? Kingfisher.
Yes.
Kingfisher. Okay. All of you, please do write it. Kingfisher. So right there, K-I-N-G, king. Yes, fisher is Kingfisher. F-I-S-H-E-R. Okay? F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Very good. Andrea, come on, Andrea. I wanted all of you to please do complete it, okay, children? It can be given as home assignment, but
Yes,
we have to know the names of birds as well as, okay? That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Sparrow.
Sparrow, yes, very good. Sparrow. So that if each one contributes, we are learning a new word here, children. Okay? So sparrow, kingfisher, there are many birds are there. Okay? So it's very good, children. Sparrow. Now, Aradhya, come on, Aradhya. Aradhya, come on. Children, please see that you write it. Aradhya, you can give me a name of a bird. Can be anything. The birds which we see around.
Pencil.
What is that? No, birds, names of birds.
Peacock.
Peacock. Have we written peacock? Let me check. Yes, peacock we have already written. Peacock, parrot, pigeon. We have already written. Eagle, lovebirds, crow, kingfisher, sparrow. There are many birds are there.
Lovebirds.
Yes, lovebirds is already written. Yes. D. Starting with the letter D. Can we write the names? Think of a name. Starting with D. Letter D.
D.
Many birds are there. Okay, Aradhya, I'll come to you later. Okay, think of a bird. Okay. So, yes, Zara. Zara, come on, Zara. Zara? Aradhya, next time. Next. Yes, Zara. What is it? Yes, what is it? It's not clear, my dear. Zara, come on, little bit more. Oh, it's not audible to me. Louder. Louder, please. What is it? Kiwi you're talking about. Kiwi. Is it kiwi? Kiwi? Children, it's not audible to me. Okay. Yes? Zara? Kiwi, kiwi. Is it kiwi? Okay, kiwi, there is a bird. Kiwi, okay, kiwi. Kiwi, I think so, what you said is. Okay. So, Malavika, come on. Contribute a name.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, okay, ostrich. T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Okay. Now, what about Aradhya? Aradhya, are you ready with a name? Otherwise, I'll give the chance to somebody else. Aradhya, are you ready? Huh? Sparrow. Yes, sparrow, I will. Sparrow, what you said is?
Sparrow.
Yes, sparrow. Yes. So this is all about the names of birds, children. So we have learned 10 names of birds and we have learned about 10 names of vehicles. Okay. So this exercise helps us to improve our vocabulary, children. So after we finish this exercise, children, so we know 40 words as such. All of you, please do write it. Next round is for boys, children. Next round is for boys. So boys, please do think of a name of a furniture. Okay? What you see in and around your house or anywhere. Please do think of it. Okay? And the last, that is, it is flowers that girls have to think about. It's for the girls. Okay, you have to name a flower. I've told you now, so please do think over it. You will be called. Okay, boys, are you ready, children? Boys, are you ready? Boys, are you ready? Yes, boys. Yes, I'll start with Iron Shibu. Iron, come on. Let me ask you, Iron. Iron, what's your name, Iron? What's your name, my dear? Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Adrian.
Adrian, that's what. Adrian. Okay. I could not find your name here. That's what. Adrian.
Yes.
Okay. Story. Okay. So, Adrian, come on. Tell me a name of a furniture.
V
Furniture.
VAN.
No, I'm not talking about the vehicles, my dear. I'm talking about the furniture. You have to name a furniture. Chair is already there. We have finished with 2 rows. Now we are moving on to the 3rd row. That is all about we have to name a furniture. Yes, come on.
I don't know.
Anything, furniture, what you see in your house? Anything, what you see around, what you're sitting on? It is a chair, okay? So, what is in front of you? Do you have a table in front of you? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, so table is a furniture. Have you understood? Okay.
Yes.
So table, can we write table here? Yes? Yes, table is a furniture, my dear children. So all of you please do write the table is the easiest one. Okay, chair is already there. We're sitting on it. Table. These are the things we can see in hotels or restaurants or in your house itself. Okay? Okay then. So let's move on to Arav room. Arav, come on Arav.
Chair. Chair.
Chair is already there, Arav. Table is there. You have to tell me some other names.
Study table.
Study table. Okay, we can write there. Okay. Or we can write, instead of writing study table, we can write writing desk. Okay. What do we call it as? Writing desk. Okay. All of you please do write it. Writing desk. Writing desk. I wanted all of you to please write it, children. If you have finished, it's okay. If you have not finished, see that you write it. Write fast. See that you complete your work. Okay, next chance goes to Ayan. Ayan, have you completed your work, Ayan? Okay, let's move on to the 4th name. Yes, come on, Ayan.
Door.
Door, yes, door. Other than that?
Window.
Window, okay, doors, windows, okay. Other furniture has such. Anything related to the furniture?
Bed.
Bed. Instead of bed we can write it, but still, little more. Yes, we write cot. Okay? So can we write cot there? Cot as a furniture. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, very good, Diane. So all of you please realize the 3-letter word is an easy word. So all of you please do write it. If you have finished, it's okay. Please give me a thumbs up. Nobody is giving me a thumbs up, children. Please do give me a thumbs up if you have finished. Okay. Yes. And raise your hands if you're ready with a name of a furniture. Yes, Abel Saju. Come on, Abel.
Bunk bed.
What is that?
Bunk bed.
Punk bed. Come on. Can you give me any other names other than that? It's okay. Shelf. Okay, bookshelf or shelf, we can write as such shelf. Or we have to write bookcase. Okay, shelf. Very good, Abel. Very good. Okay. So, Ansel. Next chance goes to Ansel. Come on, Ansel. But I wanted all of you Children, are you all writing? Yes?
Stool.
What is that? Stool. Very good. Stool, a simple word, but yes, stool is a furniture. Very good answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Children, please see that you write it, children. You have to write it. Keep your book on the table and you write. So table, chair, cot, shelf, stool. Yes. Then, let's move on to Ryan Ramesh. I hope all of you are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ryan, come on.
AC.
AC is not a furniture, my dear. Air conditioner is not a furniture.
Okay.
Some other names? Some other? Other than that, what do you find?
Window.
Window, wait. We leave with windows and doors. We need furnitures as such.
Bed.
Bed, cot, we have already written. We can write either cot or bed. Okay. So, any other things?
Flower vase.
Flower vase, it is. Other than that, when we write something, it should be a furniture. Many things are there, no?
Fan.
Ah,
Fan.
fan. Fan is not a furniture. Yes, come on. Anything else?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf. Yes, we have already written shelf, so we can write bookcase. Okay. So we can write there bookcase. Okay. So it is shelf. We have written shelf. Oh. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Then what we have written after shelf? We have written stool, S-T-O-O-L, stool. Then we wrote about, then someone has contributed about the shelf, shelf, stool. Yes. Stool. We can write a like bookcase. Case. Okay, so that will be much better. Okay, bookcase. Or we can write writing desk. These are the names we have written, oh children. So we have finished with cot, shelf, stool. So one of you said it is bookcase. Okay, then it is a writing desk. Very good. Okay, so I wanted Suresh. Come on, Suresh. I hope these are the names we have written. Come on.
Sofa.
What is it?
Sofa.
Sofa, yes, very good. Sofa is an easy name. Sofa, we forgot about sofa. Yes, sofa, very good. All of you, please do write sofa. Sofa, please do write it.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's very good. We have to write two more names. Two more names have to be written. Yes. Children, please see that you write it. All of you turn on your videos. I wanted to check whether all of you are writing. Please do turn on your videos, my dear children. Yes, Aldrin. Come on.
I know finished.
Not finished. Now write.
That this.
Which one, my dear?
This is
Yes, right. Start writing. You want the previous one? Have you written?
yes.
Yes, write it. Oh, writing this we have already written here. Oh, this is bookcase. Again, we have written writing desk now. So we can write something else. Sofa we have written. So we can write rack there. So someone said something now. It is sofa. Cot we have written.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did not finish 5.
Yes, write it.
That's
The
5.
table, a writing desk. All of you please have a look at it. Cot, shelf, stool, bookcase, rack, sofa. Yes, we have to write 2 more. All of you please have a look at it and write it properly without spelling errors. Yes, Ashwajit, if you're ready, come on. Yes, my dear. Yes.
TV stand. 5. 5 not finished.
Okay. Children, please do write it.
Ma'am, I did not finish 5.
Right? You can take your own time. Children, these answers will be sent to you, okay? The answer keys will be sent to you. If you have not finished, when the answer keys are being sent, children, please check with your answers. But this is, you can write any names, okay? It is not compulsory that you have to write only these names. That is optional, but only thing is the spelling should be right, okay? This is just to help you. We have many names as such. Under each head, we have thousands of names, but which are familiar with. We are familiar and according to our standard, our level of, so according to our age group, okay? So you are in grade 2. So we should be knowing some words as such. We are familiar with few words, okay? So ma'am is picking only those words which we are familiar with. Okay. Children, please do sit properly and then write, okay? So that you can complete your work very quickly. See that you sit on a chair and you write it so that you may finish it fast. Some of you are taking lots of time to complete your work. So can I move on to Anthony? Yes, Anthony, come on. Anthony, come on. So we have to write 2 more names under head. Oh. Yes, come on. Anthony?
Bench.
Bench, yes, that's
Bench.
right. Bench is also a furniture. Okay, bench, chair, stool, all these are very, very easier ones. Cot, shelf, rack, sofa, bookcase, okay, and even writing table, which I have told you. All these are very simple one. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, Prithvi, come on, Prithvi.
Drawer.
Drawer, okay. Instead of that, any other name?
Ma'am.
We can write cupboard.
Ma'am.
That may be much more better. Rack we have already written. Okay.
Ma'am.
Come on. Can we write cupboard? Yes. That may be much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, cupboard. Okay. Yes. Okay then. So all of you please do write all these names well.
Ma'am.
Yes.
My no finished page number 5.
5. Why it's not finished? So we have already, it's already time up, children. It's 11:10. It's time up. Children, please don't worry whether if you have not finished or thing, it will be sent in the WhatsApp group so that you can, the answer keys of each chapter will be sent to you. Okay, so that you can copy down. Okay, children. So it's already it's time up, children. Okay, we are running out of time. It's already time up. So we are going to wind up today's session. I hope we have finished with it. So thank you all. Bye-bye, children. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
It will be